Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by saving a backup copy. That preserves your original if something goes wrong. Next, open the workbook and make sure the Developer tab is enabled so you can access code quickly. Once done, view the VBA editor with Alt plus F11 and scan projects for modules, sheets, and this workbook entries that contain macros. Focus on modules named clearly or recent code blocks. This early inspection helps you decide whether to delete code or simply disable macros for safety. You now remove or neutralize the macro code. In the VBA editor, right-click a module or form and choose Remove Module. Export first if you might need it. For event code, open each sheet and this workbook object and delete routines like workbook open or worksheet change. If unsure, comment lines with an apostrophe to disable them temporarily. Use find to track remaining macro names and ActiveX controls on sheets. Delete those controls or their handlers to prevent hidden execution. You finish by saving the cleaned file in a macro-free format. Choose File, Save As, and pick XLSX to strip VBA completely. Then test key worksheets and calculations to confirm no functionality relied on deleted macros. If something breaks, restore your backup and selectively re-enable only the necessary procedures or export specific modules to re-import. Troubleshooting tip: if macros still run, check Hidden Personal, XLSB, or add-ins. Disable them and repeat the VBA search.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.